Today we're going to show you how to get into the AM5 platform for as cheap as possible.
For only $700, we're going to be building a gaming PC using the Ryzen 5 7500F, the cheapest CPU that not many people are talking about to get into AM5 on a budget. And we're going to show you guys today how it's going to perform after a word from today's sponsor. Attention PC builders, do you want to save money on your Windows activation? Well, today's video sponsor, GVG Mall, has you covered. An awesome online marketplace with game keys and also Windows licenses.
It's awesome how easy it is to activate Windows. You literally just buy a key on GVG Mall using code TB20 to get a really good discount, and from there, you literally copy and paste the key into Windows, and boom, you now have an activated version of Windows.
You can get Windows 10, Windows 11, and a bunch of other different keys at GVG Mall, and be sure to use code TB20 on checkout to save money on a Windows 10, Windows 11, or any other key from GVG Mall. Big thanks again to GVG Mall for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get into it, shall we?
So this right here is the Ryzen 5 7500F from AliExpress for 155 bucks. This is a 6-core 12-thread processor that is really awesome because it performs like a 7600 without the integrated graphics, which if you're getting a graphics card, you don't need the integrated graphics. Now you do have to buy a cooler. If you buy the 7600, it comes with a stock cooler, but this one does not, so we opted for the SE-214XT ARGB. It's a really good, cheap tower cooler that'll keep this thing very chill. And for the motherboard, we have the Gigabyte B650M D3HP. This is Gigabyte's cheap line of boards, but hey, it's still a pretty good board for the price. You actually get two 4-pins for the CPU, you get 4 RAM slots, you have plenty of M.2 upgrade path and PCIe, so pretty good board for the price. Now for AM5, you gotta go DDR5, guys, and that's one of the best parts about this build. We have some TeamGroup Vulcan DDR5. This is 32 gigs. You could get 16 instead if you want to save a little bit of money. 5600 megahertz, pretty good stuff. It's non-RGB, so it'll go in the build really nicely and look pretty sleek. And this is our SSD right here, a 1TB Solidigm P41 Plus. This is a Gen 4 SSD because we're making this build very future-proof. If you ever want to get better performance, all you really gotta do is upgrade the GPU at this point because this is a super solid future-proof build.
And speaking of that graphics card, this is an RX 6600 from MSI. Now we went to the used market for our GPU here because the 6600 can be had for about $150 to $160 on the used market. If you want to spend a little bit more, we were trying to keep it at $700 and not $750. You can opt for the new RX 7600 and have a really solid system, but the idea again with this PC is to have a really good starting point and an awesome upgrade path. You can easily add a super high-end GPU and plop in a new CPU and have a really long life system because of AM5 and how long that platform will be supported. Now for the power supply, we have a Segotep, once again, a GN 650 watt 80 plus gold, 650 watts, more than enough for this PC build and upgrades in the future, and it's a really reliable unit that we use a lot at PCBros.tech or PC Selling Business. You can opt for their 750 watt version as well if you want to get that ATX 3.0 connector if you plan on upgrading to a high-end NVIDIA GPU in the future, but you're going to spend a little bit more money, and for $700, this is what we could fit into the budget. And last but certainly not least, you've never seen this case before. Jonah, have you seen this case before? No, never. This is the DIYPC Q3 V2, which we actually just built in recently, and we built it in so many times because for the price, it just can't be beat with those pre-installed RGB fans and the look that a lot of people want from higher end builds. You could get in a budget build, and it comes in white as well if you want to go that option, but we went black with the tempered glass and everything, and I'm very excited to use it in this build. And all in all, for $700, you get into AM5 without spending a ton of money. You're on a motherboard that's very upgradable in the future, and I'm very excited to see how it performs out of the box. Let's put it together and find out.
All right, guys, we're playing the finals, and we are currently on 1920 by 1080p, FSR2, high with dynamic medium ray tracing. What? All right, we got the revolver though, so clearly I'm feeling bold and confident. As in, it's getting towards the end of the day, guys. That's just is what it is.
Bold and confident, and yeah, performance is looking good. CPU staying nice and cool at 5 gigahertz. Love the 7000 series Ryzen just running so good, and the GPU is only pulling about 99 to 100 watts. So all in all, pretty solid build so far, and we're pulling a total of 208 watts.
You know, indoors we're getting like high refresh rate. Oh my goodness. Oh! That'd be crazy.
They've been crazy.
All right, we're stealing.
Nice.
God, no one wants me today. Maybe I should re-download this game.
You got this. Yeah, finish them all. Yeah! Yeah! Winners!
Yeah!
Let's go!
Not only were we the winners, we got over 100 FPS the whole time, pretty much. That's pretty good, guys.
Let's play another demanding game, Warzone. All right, guys, we are now in good old Warzone. Balance preset FSR3 on quality, 1080p, and oh my, what happened to that
Colorful.
guy? Colorful. Yeah, this is the Fortune's Keep map, which I think is new in Resurgence, and we'll see what this thing is capable of doing. So far, I've been very impressed, and yeah, 7500F, really good buy if you're willing to go down the AliExpress rabbit hole. What was that?
Dude, you had the supernatural vision on that, dude. Uh-oh, I feel like other dude's coming in hot. Oh.
Yeah, nice try,
dirty.
buddy.
There's a big boy in that doorway.
Come back. Come here.
Oh.
Oh, no! Yeah! I wasn't gonna win that fight.
Oh, he was quick.
These guys are built different, but hey, this PC is also built different, running really well so far. Yeah, we're gonna run 3 more time spies, see what numbers we end up getting, and yeah, wrap this video up real quick because the 7500F and this GPU combo working out really well.
Alright guys, we just got done benchmarking this gaming PC, and as you could tell, esports and AAA titles are no match for this thing at 1080p. You don't even have to run the bare minimum settings to get a high refresh rate, which is pretty awesome.
And in terms of our 3D Mark Time Spy score, we end up with a score of 8,333, which is an 8 cent per point score, which is really awesome in comparison. We like to see less than 10 cent per point for good value for the money, and really this score doesn't really even show the best part about the system, the fact that you're in the AM5 platform, which is going to have a motherboard that'll support multiple generations of upgrades, and you did so with a $700 gaming PC. So if you want to build this gaming PC yourself, check the links in the description down below. They will be affiliate links and they will help us out. Let us know what you think of the 7500F, and if you will be using it to build your next gaming PC, let us know.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Peace out. So this PC right here will be available at PCBros.tech at a great price with a new and improved 1-year warranty.
PCBros.tech. We sell gaming PCs, gaming laptops, and so much more. Use code ToastyBros to check out. You'll save 2% on your next purchase. See you guys later. Bye-bye.